Get her while she's in the air, Michelle, not on the ground. Oh. Look at those muscles. Oh.
Can you do it?
That was a good one. You want to get one?
Mike's like my coach. Like, that was a good one.
You got the video on, baby?
No, hold on. Take a video of Mike doing it too. Hold on.
I'm going to do it.
With your camera?
Just turn the video on.
Give me a take it. I got it. Alright.
I busted my ass on this once already today.
I got bark in my eye.
Ready?
Go. Damn, Mike.
I think that.
Oh, you were gonna hit it.
Shit.
Oh, okay. I want to hit it. Okay.
That's a lot of fun.
There's bark in my eye. Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah, I get it. I got it.
Oh, it's visibly in her?
It's a good call, otherwise it gets all down in there.
You want to see it?
Well, let's do some more.
Go ahead, Mark.
Bark.
I got you, Mark. Keep going. I'm watching your head. Stand still.
No.
You only hear it on the other side.
No. I think you got it.
Go get him! Ooh, that's high. Do the run back, do the run back. Oh shit. Go monkey style. He's flying now!
Holy shit.
He's ready, look. Here, I got one watch out for you. This happened to me. It fucking made me fall. You see where the line is up there? You want it on the other side of that nipple. Right. Otherwise it catches it and you get out there and it slips over. And it jumps and you fucking bust your ass. I learned the hard way. Alright. Alright, just go easy first and you'll get the feel for it. Hold on, let's do it again.
Okay, do it again. I won't let you hit this tree.
Yeah, just stick it through.
I'll just like kick ya.
It's $1 for big air.
Big air contest.
Nice job! Woo! Was it fun?
Yeah.
You gotta look at the camera.
Everybody's doing it.
Now your turn. You do it.
Yeah, did we get a video?